Hey there guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you two simple ways to sample colors from whatever image you'd like inside Pictochart. Armed with these techniques, you'll be able to create beautiful color schemes that match the color profile of your images, and the bottom line is that you'll be able to create much more pleasing and coherent designs where everything blends in nicely together. So without further ado, how about we jump right in? Right, so here we are on the dashboard in the Pictochart editor, and the first and fastest way to extract colors from an image is to use the built-in feature from what we call the Brand Assets panel. To locate it, we'll hop up to the account drop-down here in the top right, click Brand Assets, and in here we can set a color scheme that we can then easily access across all our visuals in Pictochart. Now, we can go in and manually add our colors, and here's where the magic happens. We can simply drag and drop an image into this little box you see here. So let me just find an image on the desktop, and once we drop this one in, boom, we've magically extracted the color profile of our photo. One word of warning here though, as with most automated stuff, we have little control over what colors are actually being sampled from the image. Which is to say, sometimes the results can be a little rough on the edges, which again is to say, sometimes we might want to or even need to go in and manually adjust certain colors to fine-tune our palette to our liking. But once we get something we're happy with, we simply click Save Changes, and now you can see that we can easily access this color scheme from the color tool across all our visual projects in Pictochart. And that's it for option number one, guys. It's really that fast, it's really that simple, and up next, I'll show you how to do it manually. So, second option, the manual way. The downside to using this technique, as you'll see, is that it takes a little longer to set up. But the upside is that you have total control over what colors you sample from whatever image you'd like to use. First, of course, we'll need an image, so let's hop up to the graphics panel here in the top left, pop open Photos and search for, let's say, plants. In here, we can choose from thousands of beautiful royalty-free photos by Unsplash, and why don't we select the same image from before? Now with the image on the canvas, let's close the Photos drop-down, and instead let's open Shapes and Icons, click the rectangle in order to add it to the canvas, and then let's scale it down a bit and create 4 copies of it. And as you'll see in a jiffy, we're going to use these squares to set up our color palette. Alright, so now that we have everything set up the way we want, here's the million-dollar question. How do we manually sample colors from this nice looking image? To do so, we're going to need the help of a browser extension, more specifically something called Color Picker. Now, I already have one installed here. It's called Colorzilla. It's available for Google Chrome and Firefox to the best of my knowledge, and it's totally free, and for my needs anyway, it works just fine. There are several free versions available on the market, however, so feel free to head over to Google, search for Color Picker extension along with whatever browser you're using. And once you add it, you should see a little icon up here in the toolbar above. And so to be a bit more specific, here's what this beautiful little thing allows us to do. If we click Pick Color from Page, you can see that now as we hover over any element on the page, the extension fetches the exact color of our mouse location. And once we find a color we like, we simply click our mouse and the tool will automatically copy the hex color code to our clipboard. And this is pretty sweet because now all we have to do is select one of our squares down here, head up to the color tool above and simply hit Command or Control V on the keyboard in order to paste in the hex code. And so following the same process, we can easily and quickly create a scheme based on the color profile of our image. And that, guys, is how we can manually sample colors from images to create aesthetically pleasing visuals where colors and images match up. In the last section, I'm going to show you how to save this color scheme to your swatches panel in just a few short clicks. Great, so now we have our color scheme set up the way we want. How do we then save it so that we have it easily accessible at all times? If you're a pro Pictochart user, all you got to do is head over here to the left pane and click Color Scheme. From here, we're going to click Create New Color Scheme, and let's name it, say, Plants, hit OK, and voila, it's automatically fetched all the colors on the page, which is really rather quite nice because it saves us the trouble of adding each color individually. So now let's just hit Save and Apply, and you can see that our color scheme has been added to the color tool here in the toolbar above. So at this point, why don't we just go ahead and delete these squares? We don't really need them anymore. And let's instead jump to the fun part, the actual design. And so there you have it, 2 different ways to sample colors from any photo you like to create beautiful designs where your colors match your images and vice versa. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, thank you for watching and happy picture chatting.